Becca, so this is the moment that we've been waiting for since that day at Rottnest where I asked you to be my wife. Way back then, as we started to plan for today, it felt like some far off and joyous dream. And then the rest of 2020 happened, and today felt even further away. So to be here, standing with you, our friends and family, watching us both here and all over the world, feels amazing, daunting, and a little miraculous.
It was a lot of information to take in during a relatively short walk, but you were fascinating. I was immediately drawn to you. I wanted to know more, and I wanted to know everything about you. And also your accent was cute, so it helped.
You're the kindest, sweetest, and most ridiculous person I've ever met. And the fact that you shine so much of your wondrous soul in my direction makes me feel like the luckiest human in the world.
I'll never forget the first day we met outside the Havana. You basically jumped out from behind a newspaper box, startled me, gave me an extremely fast, extremely awkward, and extremely Ben Jones-esque hug. It was adorable.
Oh, so beautiful. Oh, it's so gorgeous.
Thank you. You look so handsome.
Thank you.
You make me want to be a better person every day. You acknowledge my strengths and accept my faults. You were kind, you were silly, you were funny, you were intelligent, and you're so wonderfully peculiar.
When I'm with you, there's no reason for why. I'm intoxicated by your side. Nothing in the world's gonna beat this high.
Through your eyes, I'm able to see the best version of myself, and you inspire me to be that person every day so that I might be the man that I know you deserve.
It's funny to think we should know. Oh, and it's love when we've lost control. Maybe for once I can finally find my home. When I'm with you, there's no reason for why. I'm intoxicated by your side. Nothing in the world's gonna beat this high. I've been searching for all of my life. When I'm with you,
As we share our lives together, I promise to love you and do all that I can do to be the man that deserves your love. I'll also put in the work to be an easy person for you to love, because I know that's not always the case. I will love you, Becca, exactly as you are, the silliest of geese, the kindest of hearts, and the gentlest of souls. I promise to keep you safe from all the scary and sad things that I can, and to be there to help you heal from all the things that I can't.
Wherever you're going, I'm going to. Whatever you're doing, I'm sticking with you.
When the day comes that we're old and gray, I promise to always see you with the same eyes and the same heart that I see you with in this exact moment. I vow to honor, support, and encourage you. I promise to dream with you, to celebrate your triumphs and your joys, and to share in your curiosity, desires, and aspirations. I'm forever grateful for you, and I promise that my love for you will only grow from here. I vow to laugh with you, to always appreciate you, and to never let a day go by where I'm not reminded of how lucky I am that we found each other.
Ben, Becca, it is my pleasure to officially pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss.
Becca, you are the literal light in my life. The sparkle in your eye brightens every day, guides my sanity through my own angst, and even managed to fight away the gloom of a ground floor suite in Burnaby. When I look into your eyes, I know that things will be okay, that whatever happens, we'll have each other, and that there isn't anything that we can't get through together.